In this video, we are going to see how to set up Angular in our local machine. Navigate to the Angular official page where you will the full details on how to set up the required softwares in your machine. For Angular to work, we have prerequisite of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We don't have to install them as all their support is pre-built in the OS. But Angular to work, we need Node.js. Node.js is open source and we download the binaries from its official page. Open new tab, enter Node.js download, select the official link nodejs.org. In this page, we have options of Windows installer, Mac installer, and source code download. As my machine is Windows, I am going to download the Windows installer. Once the download is complete, you can install as you do normal software installs on your PC. Node.js installation is not complex one, you can leave the defaults and proceed with the next pages. This installation will take care of installing the runtimes and adding the environment variables to the path. You can leave this option unselected as it is not required to try our tutorials in your machine. Click Install button and that's all. It will install Angular in your machine. So that's all, we can click on Finish button, and we can close the browser tab also. Now if you scroll down, you will see about the Angular CLI. This Angular CLI is used to create the Angular projects, test, build and deploy them. Installing this CLI is very simple. Open your command prompt. Just type the command npm install -g at angular/CLI and click enter. It will install Angular CLI in your machine. As I have installed CLI in past, it just updated one package for me. For you it will add multiple packages and may take few extra seconds. Now we are set for developing the Angular web application. To test everything installed fine in our machine, just type npm-v to get the npm version. And then type ng-version to get the Angular CLI version. That's all, our environment is ready for project creation. Now we can start creating applications using any editor as per your preference. In the next tutorial, we will see how to create basic web application using Angular.